So here, so what we are talking about is so okay. So we have seen like working with all this. So all these operators, like I said about bitwise operators. So we have seen bitwise operators. Now we are talking about membership operators. So membership operator, I said this is membership operator. Actually, you are using it. Okay, this operator is used. Okay, this operator is used for searching, searching or finding. Okay, this operator is used for searching or finding a value inside a collection of values. If you want to find, if you want to search one value in a collection of values, then you are finding one value in a collection of values by using which operator? Membership operator. So actually this operator, this operator returns, this operator returns which value? Boolean value. So that value can be either true or false. This operator returns Boolean value. So what is that value? Can be either true or false here. So this operator returns Boolean value. So that value can be either true or that value can be either false. So what is the name of this operator is? In operator is there. What is the name of this operator in? And this in operator you can use with not. So we can call this as not in. Okay, so this is called as a membership. That is finding a given value is there inside a collection of values. If the value is there in a collection of values, then it returns true. Otherwise, it will return. For example, suppose assume that, okay, okay, I'm writing y. Y is there inside Python. Is it y is there inside a string called Python? Yes. Is it y is there or not? Yes. Y is there. So what is written here? True. For example, I'm writing Java in a, okay, I just write here Python, Java, Oracle, and MySQL. If you take this is one string here, and within the string Java is there or not there? There. So if it is there, it will return true. If it is not there, it will return false. So it is used for finding a given value is there in collection of values. For example, there is a value called 10. Is it 10 is there inside? Is it 10 is there inside 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? So actually this is called as a list. This is called as a list. Now inside the list, is it this value 10 is there or not there? There. So what is the value written? True. Suppose if I'm writing 100 in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So is it value 100 is there in this collection of values? No. So what is the value written? False. If I'm saying 100 not in, if I'm saying 100 not in inside a collection of values, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is it 100 is not there inside this collection of values? Yes. So what is the value written here? True. If it is not there, it will return true. Here, if it is not there, it return false. Okay, suppose here it is there, it returns true. Suppose 10 in, okay, 10, 10 in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, is it 10, 10 and not in? Okay, I'm saying 10 not in, but actually 10 is there or not there? There. If I'm saying not in, then it return what? False. If in returns true, then not in return what? False. If in return false, not in returns what? True. Now this is useful for searching. If you want to search a given value inside a collection of values, if you want to search one value in a collection of values, you are searching that by using in operator. You are searching that by using which operator? In operator. Okay. So this is called as a membership operator. Not only that, generally it is used for which data types here? Collection data types. This membership operator is used with which data types? Collection data types. Collection, is it collection hold one value or more than one value? More than one value. Okay, then next one is, so there is one more operator is there called identity operator. So there is one more operator which is called as an identity operator. But I cannot write like this 10 in 10. Can I write 10 in 10? No, because 10 is a scalar value and 10 is also scalar. Means is it individual value or not? Yes. So 10 inside 10 means it gives what here? Error, because type error argument of type integer is not iterable. Iterable means what here? Collection. Okay, so the second one should be which type here? Collection type. What is it? 10 is a collection type or scalar type? Scalar type means this represent only one value. This represent one value, but here second operand should be one value or collection of values. Collection of values. If you are writing 10 in 10, then immediately it gives what? Error. And what is that error? It is displayed type error. Okay, it is a type error here, right? Yes. There is one more operator is there, and what is that operator is? Identity operator. Identity operator. Okay. So it is a binary operator. Okay, it is a binary operator and required two operands. So actually identity operator is used. Identity operator is used to compare okay, is it two variables pointing to same object, same same object within, so within memory. It is a binary operator and require two operands. An identity operator is used to compare two variables pointing to the same object within memory. Or you can say it is used, okay, it is used to compare. It is used to compare which one? Address. It is used to compare address of, okay, two objects. It is used to compare address of two objects. So every object in memory every object in memory is having a unique identity called which one? Address. Every object in memory is having unique identity, and that unique identity is called which one? Address. If you want to compare the addresses, is it two objects are pointing to the same memory location or not? Now that you can find out by using which one? Identity operator. In application development, okay, identity operator is used to find is variable holding copy of, is it variable holding copy of any object. If you want to know is it two variables are pointing to the same object, means is it both the objects are, is it two objects, is it one object is a copy of another object or not. You want to know is it this object is a copy of any other object or not. Copy. Okay, when you're talking about copy, means both are holding the same object. If both variables are holding same object, you'll say it is a copy. For example, assume that, okay, for example, assume that, for example, suppose, assume that I'm writing like this. Okay, for example, I'm writing A equal to 10, A equal to 10, and then I said B equal to what here? 20. So what will happen is, it will try to allocate, it will try to create an object, try to create an object, and this is which object here? Integer object. And the value of this integer object is what? 10. And in memory, this object is having address. In memory, this object is having what? Address. Assume that address of this object is some 1000. What is the address of this object here? 1000, right? Assume that address of this particular object is 1000. Then I said B equal to 20. When I say B equal to 20, so what will happen? One more object is created. Now this is also called integer object. And the value of this object is 20. The value of this object is 20. And the address of this object is what? 2000. So it means A is a variable. Actually, A variable doesn't hold value. Actually, variables in Python doesn't hold values. Variables in Python hold what? Address. ID. ID is nothing but what here? Address. So this is having an address called which one? 1000. So what is the value of a 10? What is the address of a 1000? What is the value of a 10? Okay, object A value is what? 10. Object A address is what? 1000. In the same way, there is a variable called B. So there is a variable called B, and this variable B is having an address. What is the address held by B here? 2000, right? So B is pointing to, okay, B is pointing to the object whose address is what here? 2000. What is the value of B? 20. What is the value of A? 10. What is the ID of A? 1000. What is the ID of B? 2000. If I want to compare values, I use the operator called double equal. Yes. If I want to compare values, I use the operator called which one? Double equal. Relational operator I'll use. I use a relational operator for comparing what here? Values. But suppose I want to compare, I don't want to compare values, but I want to compare which one? IDs. Addresses. Then how can I compare addresses? By using an operator called identity operator. And what is that identity operator is. So there is an operator called is. So this is the name of the operator is. Is one operator, is not is another operator. So it means I'm using is with another operator called which one? Not. I'm using is with another operator called is, not. Okay, but actually operator is only one. What is the name of the operator is. But how can you find, how to find ID or address of object? How to find ID or address of object? For that, there's one predefined function is there called ID. Is a predefined function, is a predefined function which returns ID or address of, which return ID or address of object. How to find ID or address of object? For that, you are using one predefined, function. And what is the name of that function here? ID. Now this function returns ID or address of the objects. This function returns the ID or address of the object, right? So for that you are using ID function. For example, see here. For example, if I'm writing like this, suppose A equal to 10 and B equal to 20, I'm just writing ID of A and this is ID of which one? B. Is it ID means address of A and address of B both are same here? No, not same, right? Then if I'm saying A is B, it will return what here? False. A is B, it is written false here, right? Because is it address is the same or different? Different. Bring on, address is not the same. Address is what here? Different of. For example, if I'm writing some C equal to A, I said C equal to A. Now, is it both A and C both are pointing to the same object? Yes. Okay, now if I'm writing, if I'm writing A is a C, A is a C, what is the value written? True, because ID of A and C both are what here? Same. Is it ID of A and C both are what here? Same. ID is the same. See here, ID is the same here. Okay, because of now how you are comparing, is it both the variables are pointing to the same object or not? By using an operator called which one? Is. Same object. Okay, same object, but if I'm writing A double equal to C, is it both are holding the same values or different values? Same values. Is it both are holding the same values or different values? Same values, right? But this is used for comparing values, but is used for comparing addresses. Okay, right. So this is to find out whether is it a copy or not. See here, is it C is a copy of which one? C is a copy of which one? A. C is a copy of which one? A. Not only that, what will happen in application development is, for example, what will happen is, for example, I'm writing like this. For example, I'm writing F1. F1 equal to 1.5. F2 equal to 1.5. These are two different objects or not? Yes. F1 is one object and F2 is another object. Okay. But values are same, but two different objects. Is it ID of F1? Is it ID of F1 and F2 is the same or different? Different. If I'm writing F1 double equal to F2, is it comparing values or addresses? Values. Is it value of this both are same or different? Same. But if I'm saying F1 is F2, is it F1, F2 pointing to the same objects? No. What is the value written here? False. So this is one object and this is what here? Another object. But values of this both the objects are what here? Same. But address of these objects are same or different? Different. So address of these objects are different. Now, if I'm writing F3 equal to F1, so if I'm saying F1 is F3, now F3 is F1, F3 is F1, it means is it this both are pointing to the same object or different? Same object. So what is the value returned? True. Because I assign the address of F1 to what? F3. I assign the address of F1 to what here? F3. Okay. So to know whether it is copy of any other object or not, to know whether it is copy of any other object or not, so that you can find out by using is operator. Now this is frequently asked question, like what is the difference between double equal operator and is operators here? Is a frequently asked question. What is the difference between double equal and is operator? So yeah, what is the difference between double equal and is operator in what? Python. So yeah, the double equal operator compares the values or equality of two objects. Okay. Whereas a Python is operator checks whether two variables point to the same object in memory, right? So this is a difference here, pointing to the same object in memory. So what is the difference between double equal and is operator? What is a double equal? Double equal operator compares the value or equality of two objects, whereas a Python is operator checks whether two variables point to the same object in what? Memory. So that is for checking copy. So if is written true, then is not written false. If is written false, then is not written true. For example, F1 equal to 1.5 and F2 equal to 1.6. If F1 is F2, so it is written what? False. F1 is not F1 is not F2, it returns true because these are not pointing to the same object. Okay. So is if is written true, then is not written false. If is written false, then is not written true. So it is the opposite. Okay, that is difference between the double equal and yes. It is useful. It is useful in application development, but where it is useful, so it is useful to find out whether two objects in application development identity operator is used to find is variable holding copy of any other object. So that you can find out by using which operator? Identity operator. Okay. Yes. Now next is, now this is identity operator. There is one more operator is there, and which is called as, okay, which is called as a some walrus operator. So there is one more operator is there and called as walrus operator. So this walrus operator is also called assignment expression. Walrus operator is also called assignment expression operator. This walrus operator is also called a assignment expression operator. Assignment expression operator. This walrus operator So what is the name of this symbol is? Okay, now you are using colon and equal. See, there is only assignment operator is there, single equal. Okay, but there is a colon and equal is there. So this is walrus and this is introduced 3.8. So walrus operator, now this operator is introduced in 3.8, but 3.8 version. Okay, so walrus operator, now this operator is introduced. This operator is introduced in Python 3.8 version. Before 3.8, this operator is not there. Okay, so why they introduce this? Because, so what is the name of the operator is colon and equal. It's called a walrus. Walrus operator. Now walrus is animal. Now if you see this is called like walrus. This is walrus, right? So this is a walrus. So taken from here. Now colon equal. So that is called so colon and equal, colon equal, colon equal, anything. Okay, so colon and equal, walrus operator. Okay. So it is a binary operator. It is a binary operator. Binary operator. It required two operands. As a binary operator, and it required how many operands here? Two operands it required. This operator is used. This operator is used as a part of expression. This operator is used as a part of expression. It means in one expression I can have how many assignment operators? Only one. In one expression I can have only one assignment operator. In one expression, for example, I'll say a equal to 10 plus 20. This is one expression, right? So the result of 10 plus 20, the result of 10 plus 20 is assigned to which one? A. The result of 10 plus 20 is assigned to what here? A. Now what is the value of A? 30. Suppose there is a equal to 1 plus 2 plus okay 3 plus 4 okay plus 5 plus 6. Okay, now I'm adding so many things here. But I want the result of 1 plus 2 plus 3 should be assigned to A, and 4 plus 5 plus 6 should be assigned to B, and this A and B should be assigned to C. Now in one expression, I want to have how many assignments? More than one. It means I want the result of 1 plus 2 plus 3 should be assigned to what? A, and the result of 4 plus 5 plus 6 should be assigned to B, and this A plus B should be assigned to what? C. Actually, if walrus is not there, I have to write like this. A equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. And then B equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6. Then C equal to A plus B. Okay, then you print A value, B value and C value. That is A value some 6, B value some 15 and C value is what here 21 like that. But I want to write complete expression in one complete. Instead of writing 3 statements, I want to write everything in how many statements? One statement. Then what will I do? I'll say C equal to now. Final result should be assigned to C. Then A colon equal to. But I cannot write multiple assignments. I cannot write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, okay, B equal to some 4 plus 5 plus 6. If I'm writing like this, it is given syntax error. Invalid syntax, maybe you mean double equal or colon equal or equal. So it means in one expression, I cannot have multiple assignment operators. In one expression, I can have only one assignment. What I can write C equal to A colon equal to. So as a part of expression 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus B colon equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6. Now the result of 4 plus 5 plus 6 is assigned to what? B, and the result of 1 plus 2 plus 3 is assigned to what? A, and A plus B is assigned to C. Now in this case, I can say A, B and what? C. The value of A is 6 and the value of B is 15 and the value of C is what? 21. As a part of expression, if you want to have, there is one expression is there and you want to split that expression into multiple. You want to get multiple results from one expression. From one expression, you want to get multiple results. Like this is one result and this is one result and this is one result. But it is expression assignment expression operator. But I cannot write D colon equal to 10. If I'm writing D colon equal to 10, it gives what? Error. Because is it assignment operator or assignment expression operator? Assignment expression operator. Assignment expression operator means it should be used as a part of expression. It should be used as a part of expression, but cannot be used directly. It is used as a part of expression, but you cannot use it directly. If you are writing like this, immediately it is given which error? Syntax error. And that is nothing but invalid syntax. So this operator is used as a part of which one? Expression only, but not individually, right? So this is one operator which is introduced as a part of which version? 3.8 version, which is called as walrus operator. So this is a symbol here. So what is the difference? Again, one more question is there here. See, all these are frequently asked questions again. So the question is, what is the difference again? What is the difference between, okay, assignment and yes, colon and assignment, or assignment and so what is the difference? Oh, okay, now yes. Now if you see this double equal is taken the example with a double equal, but actually what is the difference between this? Both are, there is no triple equals out there. Three equals are not there here. Three equals. Okay. Yes. Now there is a, yes. So what is the difference between, okay, single equal and colon equal. So whereas a single equal and this is a colon equal. So this is called as which operator? Assignment operator. And this is called as assignment expression operator. Okay, it is used to assign result of which one? Expression, or to create which one? Object. It is used as a part of expression to assign what here? Value or result. It is used as a part of expression to assign value or result. It is not used. It is not. It is not used for creating. It is not used for creating which one? Objects. It is not used for creating objects. Okay. You cannot use this for creating objects. You cannot use this for creating. It is not used as a part of expression, but this is used as a part of expression. A big expression is there if you want to get multiple results from that expression. If the expression is very large, this is where now Python is used for developing scientific. Yes or no? So if you want to get from a big expression, if you want to get multiple results, then within the expression you use assignment operator, and that assignment you call it as which one? Walrus. Okay, now right. The next one is you have a yes, there is some more assignment operators are there. And what are these assignment operators you have here is argument assignment operators are there. Augmented assignment statements. Augmented assignment statements are assignment operators. So what are these augment assignment statements or operators? Okay, now these are called argument assignment statements or augmented assignment operators. So what are these operators you have is like so there is a plus equal, minus equal. So these are called augmented assignment statements. So what are these augment assignment statements or operators? In one single statement, you do two operations. Okay. In single statement, you do how many operations? Two operations, and that you call it as yes, augmented assignment. Yeah, next category is this one. So what is this augmented assignment? Is a combination in a single statement of binary operation and assignment statement. In one statement, you are doing how many operations? Two operations. One is assignment and one more is what? Binary operation. You are doing two operation in one statement, that is assignment as well as what? Binary. So that you call it as which one? Augmented assignment statement or operators, or you can call it as assignment operators, or it is also called a shortcut. update operators. It is also called as which one? Update operators, updation operators, updation operators. So what are these operators here is, now you have an operators like this. You have an operators like this. Okay. So what are the operators here is, this is the operators and this is a description of it. So what are the operators you have? Suppose there is a plus equal. So in this, how many operators are there? Two are there. One is plus and one more is a equal. Assignment. There is a binary operator and there is a assignment operator. One operators here. A single statement of a binary operation and assignment. That is called as which statement? Argument assignment statement. Where you are doing two operations. Now plus equal is there, minus equal and star equal, slash equal and slash equal. So there is a percentage equal and there is a right shift equal. There is a left shift equal. There is ampersand equal and there is a cap symbol and equal. Yes. And there is a star and star equal. So here, only binary. How many operations are there here? Two operations are there. One is adding and one more is what? Assigning. Second one is subtracting and then what? Assigning. Updation operator. Okay, one operator you're doing two operations. For example, if A equal to 10, I'm writing A equal to 10. I want to increment A value with 5. Then generally what you do it, you'll say A equal to A plus 5. A equal to A plus 5 means you added 5 to A and assigned to what? A. Now instead of writing A equal to A plus 5, I can simply write A plus equal to what? 5. Instead of writing A equal to A plus 5, I can simply write A plus equal to 5. In this case, the value of A is incremented with what? 5. A plus equal to 5. Now two operations, one is plus and one more is which one? Assignment. In the same way, for example, if I am saying A equal to 10, again, I need to write only examples. A equal to 10 and I want to subtract some 2 from A. Then what will happen? I'll say A equal to A minus 2. A equal to A minus 2. Instead of saying A equal to A minus 2, A minus equal to 2. So it means the value of A is updated. The value of A is updated or not? Yes. The value of A is updated by subtracting what here? 2. So instead of writing A equal to A minus 2, updation, that is what I said. It is also called as which operator? Update. Means you are updating the value of A. So you are updating the value of A by subtracting what here? 2. So you are writing A equal to A minus 2. Okay, A equal to A minus 2 here, right? In the same way, for example, if I'm writing X equal to some X equal to 2 and Y equal to some 3. I want to update the X value by multiplying with what? Y. I want to update which value? X value. I want to update the value of X by multiplying with what? Y. I want to update the X value by multiplying with the Y. Then generally I'll say X equal to X into Y. Okay, now you are multiplying X and Y and you are updating what? X. Instead of writing X equal to X plus X into Y, I can simply write X star equal to what? Y. Instead of saying X equal to X into Y, I can simply write X star equal to Y. So it means you are multiplying Y with you are multiplying X with the Y and you are storing the result again into what? X. The result of this expression is again assigned to the same variable. Same variable means updating. Because previously, what is the value of x? 2. Now what is the value of x? 6. It means value of x is updated or not? Yes. But value of x is updated by multiplying with what? Y. Updation. This is called as updation, right? Okay. But you cannot use more than one. You cannot use more than one assignment operator. I said augmented assign. You cannot use more than one. More than one means I cannot write like this. A equal to 3. Okay, a equal to 3 and can I write b equal to a plus equal to 3. Okay, plus equal to 4 like this. No, I cannot write like this, right? How many assignments I can have? Only one assignment. So I can use in one expression plus equal how many times? One time. Or how many argument assignments I can use in one expression? Only one. But I cannot use more than one argument assignments. I cannot use more than one here. I can use only one, right? But I can use multiple expression. Now suppose a value, I said a value is 2 and a plus equal to 3 plus 4. Now is it this is valid? Yes. How many assignments are there? Only one assignment. So this is nothing but a equal to a plus 3 plus 4. This is nothing but a equal to a plus 3 plus 4. That means the value of a is what here? 2. So 2 plus 3 is what? 5. 5 plus 4 is what? 9. Is it that one? Or 3 plus 4 is a 3 plus 4 is what? 7. 7 plus 2 is a okay. Anyway, now the value of a is what here? 9. If I'm writing a, okay, a star, suppose I take in the value of a is a 2 and a star equal to some 3 plus a 2. It's nothing but a equal to a star. A equal to a star 3 plus 2. What is the a value? 2. And 2 into 3 is a 6. 6 plus 2 is a. Is it updated with the 8? Is it updated with the 8 or 3 plus 2 is a 5 and 5 into 2 is a 10? Yes. Is it evaluation is done or assignment is done? Now suppose if you see the value of a is what here? 10. So assignment is done later. First it will do which one? Evaluation. Evaluation. What is 3 plus 2? 5. A star equal to what here? 5. A star equal to 5 means what is a value? 2. So 2 into 5 is what here? 10. So evaluation is done first. Evaluation is done first and then it will do which one? Assignment. Okay. First evaluation is done means first it will do priority is given to which operation? Arithmetic. And then it is given to which one? Assignment. Least precedence is given to which one? Assignment only. Least precedence is given to what? Assignment operator, right? Yes. Remember this. Now this is basic examples, right? What you have to do is you have to write example only. Suppose the value of a is 10. Okay, a now a slash equal to 2. A slash means which slash it is? Float. Float division or floor division? Float. This is nothing but a equal to a slash 2. Now what is the result? I'll get 5.0. You cannot assign to another variable here. You cannot assign to another variable. The variable which is not there. For example, if I write a equal to 5 and b slash equal to a, can I write like this? This is nothing but b equal to b slash a. This is nothing but, see, this expression is nothing but b equal to b slash a. But is it b is there or not there? Not there. If it is not there, how can you update? If it is there, you can update it. If it is not there, you cannot update it. Now, in this case, will it gives an error or not? Yes. If I'm writing some m, okay, m slash m slash equal to a. Now this gives an error. What is that error? M is not defined. Is it any variable called m is there? No. If m is not there, how can you update it? You are updating value of m by dividing with what? A. This is nothing but m equal to m slash a. But is it m is there? No. There's no variable called m. Then how it will do the division? No. So if the variable is there, then only you can do it. Otherwise, you cannot do it. Right? Suppose x value is a 5. Now this is which division? Floor division. Now you want to update x value by dividing with a 2. Then what is a now this is nothing but this is nothing but what here? X equal to x slash slash 2. What is the result? 5. Only 5. Only 5. No. This is what here? 2. Okay. Because what is the value of x? 5. So this is floor division or float division? Floor. Floor means you'll get the result in integer. So actually it is 2.5, but you'll get what? 2, right? So this will get the remainder. Already we have seen. This will get the remainder x equal to 5. You want to update x value by remainder. X percentage equal to 2 is nothing but x equal to x mod 2 is nothing but x value is what here? 1. Because what is the remainder here? 1. So right shift operator x equal to, I just write x equal to 0 be 1 0 1 0. And if I'm writing x right shift equal to 2, x right shift equal to 2 is nothing but x equal to x right shift 2. How many bits are shifted towards the right side? 2 bits. Whatever bits you shifted towards the right side get deleted or not? Yes. Then what is the value of x? 1 0. Only 1 0 because is it this 1 0 is deleted or not? Yes. In the same way, if I'm writing x equal to, see already we did all this, but only the thing is assignment. X equal to 0 be 1 0 1 0, x left shift. Okay, x left shift equal to 2 is nothing but x equal to x left shift toward 2. How many bits are shifted towards the left side? 2 bits. And how many bits are added at right side? 2 bits. Now 0 be 1 0 1 0 and 00. So number of bits get added, right? At which side here? Right side. Number of bits get added at right side, right? Suppose x value is 0 be 1 0 1 0 and y value is I'm writing 0 b 1 1 0 0 and 0 and x and equal to which one? B. X and y equal to y. X and equal to y is nothing but x equal to x and y. So this is which operation? Bitwise AND operation. In bitwise AND operation, if any one bit is 0, then output is what? 0. Now what is the result of this? 0 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 0 0 is 0 and 1 1 is what? 1. So what is the x value? 1 0 0, right? Yes, this is in binary, but decimal is how much? Decimal 2 to the power of 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 2 to the power of 3 is a 8. So x equal to 0 be 1 1 0 1 1 and y equal to 0 be 1 0 1 0 and x r equal to b is nothing but x equal to x r b. So what is the result of this? Okay, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 0 0 is 0, 1 1 is a 1. So what is the result you'll get? 0 b 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. So x equal to 0 b, yes, 0 b 1 0 0 and y equal to 0 b 1 0 0. Some assume that 1. Okay, yes. Then x now what is this? XOR equal to XOR equal to Y is nothing but X equal to X XOR Y. XOR operation, what will happen if two bits are equal? Output is what? 0. Now, what is the result of this? 0 be 1. Because 0, 1 is a 1. 0, 0 is 0. 0, 0 is 0. 1, 1 is a 0. 1, 1 is also 0. If two bits are equal, output bit is a 0. Last class we did this, right? Yes. In the same way, power of. So this is updating the value of one variable. X to the power of equal to 2 is nothing but x equal to x to the power of 2. X value is updated to the power. Now 2 to the power of 2 is a 4. See here how we did this assignment. Assignment or update. Augmented assignment is a combination in a single statement of a binary operation and which one? Assignment statement. One operator is doing how many operations? Two operations. One is binary operation and one more is a assignment. So that is called as which one? Update. Updation operator. Now plus equal, minus equal, star equal, slash equal, slash and slash equal, percentage equal, right shift equal, left shift equal, ampersand equal, bitwise AND operation equal, bitwise OR operation equal, and bitwise exclusive OR operation equal, and power of operator and equal. Okay. So in Python, you don't have any operators like you find in C language, like what is that? Plus plus and minus minus. These operators are not there. So generally in C language, plus plus, which increment value by 1, minus minus, which decrement value by 1, plus plus increment value by 1, minus minus decrement value by 1. But here you don't have any operators like plus plus and what is that? Minus minus. Okay, right? Yes. Next is, now there is one more operator is there. And what is that operator is? Conditional operators. Conditional operator is there. Conditional operator. Yes. So how many operators? Classification. So from 9 are there, right? What is that? Arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, bitwise, membership, identity, walrus we have done. Now you have to see conditional. Okay. Yes. Conditional operators. But here, this conditional operator is used to evaluate expression based on condition. You want to evaluate expression. Conditional operator is ternary operator. It is which operator? Ternary. Ternary operator means it required. Okay, which required how many operands? 3 operands. Conditional operator is a ternary operator, and this operator is required. How many operands here? 3 operands. This operator required, 3 operands are required. Okay, 3 operands. The operator which required only 2 operands is called binary. The operator required only 1 is called unary. The operator required 3 operands is called ternary. So this operator is used. This operator is used to evaluate expression based on condition or test. Based on condition or what? Test. So the result of, okay, yes, here, conditional operator is a ternary operator which required how many operands here? 3 operands. And this operator is used to evaluate expression based on condition or what? Test. How you are writing this? If you see the syntax of this here, it is like this. Variable equal to, because when you're saying operator, is it operator return the result or not? Yes. The result of this particular expression is assigned to one variable. The result of this expression is assigned to one variable. So variable equal to, what do you have to do? Yes, you are writing expression one. So there is expression one. If what is this? Test. Else, what is this here? Expression two. Okay, see here. Expression one, if test, else expression. Now, how many operators I'm using here? Two. How many operands are there here? 3 operands are there. What is the first operand? Expression one. What is the second operand? Test. What is the third operand? Expression two. How many operands are there here? This is first operand and this is second operand. Test is a second operand and expression two is a third operand. So what will happen if test is the result of test is a true? If result of test is what? True. PVM, what PVM do? Evaluates expression one, evaluate expression one and assign result, and assign result to which one? Variable. If this condition is a true, test is nothing but what here? Condition. If the condition is a true, what will happen? PVM evaluates what? Expression one and assign to what? Variable. If result of test is false, PVM evaluates. Okay, PVM evaluates expression two and assign result to, which one? Variable. Yes. If result of test is false, PVM evaluates expression two and assign result to variable. So else part is else is executed when if this condition is a false. Okay, if is executed when if this condition is a true. If condition, test is nothing but what here? Condition. Test is nothing but here condition. If result of test is false, PVM evaluates the expression 2 and return the result. PVM evaluates the expression 2 and return the result to variable. Return the result to variable, right? Yeah, just to see here how this is done. Yeah, see here how this is evaluated. How this is evaluated here. Yes. So first, what Python virtual machine will do is, first it will evaluate which one? Tester. So first PVM, okay, start executing from here. So first one is this one. PVM evaluates this. If the condition is a true, then what will happen? Okay, if the condition is a true, then it will evaluate this expression. And after evaluating expression, it assign this expression result to variable. Assign this expression result to variable. If this test is a false, suppose if this test is what here? False, then what will happen? Evaluate. Evaluate which one? Expression 2. And the result of this expression 2 is assigned to which one? Variable. So this is two situations will be there. So if it is a true, evaluate expression and assign to variable. If it is a false, evaluate the expression 2 and assign it to what? Variable, right? Suppose suppose write a program to find write a program to find input character is some vowel or not. I want to know whether input character is vowel or not. Simple one. Okay, so you have to input one character. So character is also here what? String. Okay, input enter any, what is this here? Character. Okay, now result. Here result can be yes or no. That's it. Now I want to assign a value called vowel. So when I want to assign vowel, if character in, if the character is there inside what? A, E, I, O, U. In operator. In is called as which operator? Membership operator. So it will verify is it this character is there. Suppose my character is A. What is the value of character? A. Is it A is there inside A, E, I, O, U? Yes. What it returns? Now this expression returns what? True. If it is a true, it will assign what? Vowel. To which variable? Result. Suppose I enter the character X. What is the value of CH here? X. Is it X is there inside these vowels? No. Then it will come to which one? Else. And assign not consonant or not vowel. So which one is assigned to this result? Not vowel. Okay. Now just simple example. So print what here? Result. So the value of result in this case can be vowel or not vowel. The result of this particular thing is vowel or not vowel, right? Now enter the character A. Yes. And if I enter the character X, if I enter the character capital A is also vowel, right? But it is written what? Not vowel. Because you are comparing, you are searching only for which one? Small. Now, if you want capital also, you just write AEIO, AEIO, Okay, now you can write like this. Now, character in group of characters. Now, collection of characters is nothing but what here? String. Now, inside this string, it will search. Is it AEIOU is there or not? In operator is used for what? Searching. So now using in operator, you are searching, is it input character is there inside what? Collection of characters. If it is there, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return yes. Vowel is there. Now this is true. And if I'm writing X, now this is not a vowel. So the result of this expression is what here, true or false. If I enter capital A, is it, what is the value of CH? Capital A. Is it capital A is there inside this string or not? Yes. So what is the result of this expression? True. If it is a true, what is the value assigned? Vowel. If it is a false, what is the value assigned? Not vowel. For example, I'll take one more simple example. Suppose write a, yeah, see here. So write a program to find, okay, a person is, find a person, find person is eligible to vote or not. Voter eligibility app. I want to check whether a person is eligible to vote or not. How can I verify is it a person is eligible to vote or not? Yeah, you have to, enter the name of the person, name, input, enter name, enter name. सुनो यार, background music नको दो, input name. So name is assigned, right? Yes. Now then you have to read the age. Now input, enter age. Okay. So name is assigned and age. We converted this into which type? Integer. Because input always read the value as what? String. And string is converted to integer. Okay, now some variable, eligible or not. So I just take any variable you can take. Suppose E equal to, I just write here format. I can say output. Variable name is what here? Output. Format. Who's this? Name is eligible to, what is this? Vote. So when should I assign this? If what? Age is greater than or equal to 18. So no. If input person age is greater than or equal to 18, now this string is assigned to which variable? Output. Else format, this string is assigned format string. Name is, okay, name is not eligible to vote. For example, age of the person is some 12. Now tell me, is it 12 is greater than or equal to 18? No. Condition is what here? False. Which string is assigned? Name is not eligible to vote. Suppose if I enter 30, is it 30 is greater than or equal to 18? Yes. Which string is assigned? Name is eligible to vote. You can display, what you can display? Output. So name is entered and age is entered. Now Naresh is eligible to vote. Okay, suppose I enter Suresh and 12, Suresh is not eligible to vote. Because what is the age of this person? 12. 12 is greater than or less than? Less than. So then which one is executed? Else. If it is a true, it will execute left part. If it is a false, it will execute right part. Right means else. Else means false. If means true. This part is a true. This part is a false. And assign it to which variable? Output. Okay. You should know how to write a program. You should know how to write a simple programs. You have to practice. Now this is a homework, right? Homework. Will you do or not? Write a program to find input year is leap or not. Write a program to find max of two numbers. Write a program to find name and two subject marks and find the result. What is the result here? Pass or fail based on the marks. Based on the marks, you have to find out whether input student is a pass or fail. Okay. Yeah, these three programs you have to write. You write and send it to my mail ID. So after writing, you send it to my mail ID. This is my mail ID. देखेंगे how many students will send it. Okay, now after doing it, you send to my mail ID. This is my mail ID. Okay, right? So try to practice because until you don't practice, then you don't get a subject. You have to practice. Now this is my mail ID. And after doing these programs, send it. Even though if you have any doubt while writing a program also, you send it. Okay, I'll try to tell you where you have done the mistake. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. Tomorrow we'll see it. Today we'll stop it here and tomorrow we'll continue this. Right. Thank you.